Hello. In this video, I will show you how to use AI to make money on Pinterest. Now, it's a very easy process. Now, the first thing that you will need is exactly to know what niche you have to work on. So, just simply go to ChatGPT and ask 30 top performing niches on Pinterest, or you can just simply copy this entire thing, as you can see right over here. Now, after that, you will be given a list in which you will find all the top performing niches and the little bit of description, as you can see right over here. And you will also find how much popular that niche is and what is the engagement potential looking for that particular niche, which you can see right over here. Now, among this niche, you have to find something that interests you. So, it could be fashion, wellness, travel, beauty, it could be anything. So, in my case, my eyes went first for the home decor because it is the most popular one, but it is also the most obvious and used one as well. So, I wanted to do something related to home decor. So I just simply kept looking and I found the option of kitchen gadgets. So in my case, I have chosen to use kitchen gadget as my main niche. Once your niche is ready and you have a content, you will be needing an affiliate link from which people will buy and you will get the commission. So for this, I'm going to choose ClickBank because it is one of the best affiliate platforms out there. Now over here, I'm just simply going to search for kitchen and I will just simply add the affiliate links of all the gadgets related to kitchen or kitchen work, which you'll find right over here. Now, to find the best gadgets, just simply click on the rank option and sort it by gravity high to low. By this, you will be able to see the most converting gadgets available, as you can see right over here. They will be mentioned as the gravity score. The much higher the gravity score, the much better chance the product will sell. Now, once you know your product, click on promote, then enter your nickname. Now choose a landing page preview and then just simply click on create hop link, and by doing so you will get the affiliate link. And this is what you have to paste in your Pinterest. So we'll come back to this later, but just after finding your niche, do some research on your niche and find some competitors. So as you can see, I've already done that, and you can use this particular site which is called trends.pinterest.com. Over here you can see the trends and the searches that people have done in the past month. So you can just simply see the graph over here. But if you want to specifically even search for keywords right over here in the search panel, like in my case, it's going to be kitchen gadgets. So just simply search that term and you will be given a few keywords, as you can see right over here. So just simply enter the basic one and then go from there. So this is what the graph will look, as you can see. Now if you scroll down, you will find more graphs for different keywords like cool kitchen gadgets, kitchen organization, kitchen gadget unique. There will be a lot of unique keywords that you can find. But by looking the graph, you will also be able to see few pin posts, which are good and working, as you can see right over here. Now just simply go to any one of the pins, and from there, just simply look into a channel that is doing the exact thing that you want to do. Like for example, this one. So this is a channel that post random unique things that are very helpful for home and decor, as you can see right over here in this channel. So once you find a channel, you will find how much monthly views that channel is getting, as you can see. Now once you have your competitor, you simply analyze the work and simply see what type of video they are doing and how exactly they are promoting their product or whatever they are promoting. So let's say for example, this is one of my niche product, a kitchen gadget. So in order to see how they're promoting this, just simply open the post and you should be able to find a link, which will be right over here. So click on that link where all the things that they are selling will be available. And just like them, we also will be using this exact site to host our links. So we will come back to this later, but just simply keep that in mind. Now, once you know your competitor and the style of the video that they are posting, it's time to create your own content. Now, for doing that part, we will be using an AI software called InVideo AI. So over here, what you do is you have to just simply ask the AI to create content for you and then just simply describe the style of content that you want. So now, firstly, you have to select a workflow. So we are going to create short videos. So just simply choose YouTube Shorts. Then another type of panel will appear. Over here, you have to clearly explain what type of script you're looking for. So I've already made this. So as you can see, I've written create a list of very unique kitchen gadgets that are people mostly using, and also start the video with a very strong hook to capture the attention of the viewer and make sure to keep the script dynamic and informative. And I've also written for reference, use the article link mentioned below. Now once I've done that, I have to just simply paste the article that I found on Google, as you can see right over here. All the kitchen gadgets that I want to sell is mentioned right over here. So what you have to do is just simply find a suitable article and just simply give the link to this particular bot over here, just like that. Now over here, you have to do a few specific settings related to the voice of the video, and the voice I want is of a female, and then a clear American voice. Now, if you want, you can also add subtitles. It's very possible. So you can decide what type of subtitle you want. There are a lot of options, as you can see right over here. Now, in the end, just simply choose what type of images you want to use. So in my case, I want to use iStock normally because you'll be finding the best quality images and videos right over here. Now, if you want, you can also create your own voice by going to this option, and you can just simply clone your own voice or create an AI specific voice. It's totally up to you. But for the time being, I'm going to use the normal voice over here. So after that, just click on continue. And after that, click on generate a video. Now it's going to take some time, so be patient and wait for it. Now after a few minutes, you will find another panel appearing in front of you. So over here, you have to do some specific settings. So in terms of audience, what type of audience you're looking for or what type of audience you're targeting. So in this case, it's going to be gadget lovers. And then the field is going to be professional, and we are doing this for Instagram Shorts or YouTube Story. So it doesn't matter. Just simply click on continue after that. And now just simply wait for a few seconds. So after the video is made, it will look something like this.
Ever wonder how some people make kitchen magic with minimal effort? The secret is often unique kitchen gadgets. Let's dive into some of the most innovative ones that home chefs are using today. Starting with automatic spice dispensers, a real game changer for seasoning. Just a touch, and your spices are evenly distributed. No more spice mishaps. Next, the multifunctional cutting board. This isn't your average chopping board. It's an all-in-one station, designed to streamline your preparation process. Then there's the Rapid Egg Cooker. Perfect eggs every time. Yes, please. This gadget takes the guesswork out of your breakfast. And let's not forget the air fryer liners. They ensure your air fryer stays clean and your food doesn't stick. Finally, the herb cutting scissors. 5 blades, 1 snip, fresh herbs ready in no time. These gadgets are more than just tools. They're your ticket to effortless, enjoyable cooking. So why not upgrade your kitchen and enjoy the magic?
Now, if you don't like something or if you want to edit something from the video, you can easily do that. So the quickest way is from the generate panel over here, you will have few things that you can try. Or you can simply go to the edit option right over here, and then you can edit things manually, scene by scene. As you can see, you'll be able to see them right over here. So let's say you don't like a scene, for example, this one over here. So you can just simply add a new part right over here by just simply searching it right over here in this panel. And then when you like any of the images or the videos, just simply click on that and you will find the option of replace. And then you'll find the overlay of that particular video onto that main layer, and then click on apply changes. And that will redo the entire thing and will change that particular scene. So it might take again few minutes to do that. So be patient and wait for it to complete. Now once again everything is ready, you can again go back to the edit section and you will have few more customization options that you can try. Like for example, here you will have the option to also edit the caption in the videos. So for doing that, go to the edit script option right over here. And then you can edit the scripts manually, as you can see right over here. And if you want to delete a particular video, you can also delete the script from here, just like this. And that will adjust the video if you click on apply changes. Now, after you have your video, click on the export option to export your video in whatever resolution you want. It's totally up to you. Now, there is one more trick that you can try is, you can just simply compile a lot of videos from TikTok, which are already viral, as you can see right over here. So what you can do is you can just simply copy the exact video. You can use a video transcriber to get the script of this particular video and then use that script to get a new video. And then you can use the same visuals given over here as well. Or you can use the script of a single video and use visuals from multiple videos and compile all of them in the application over here by going in the edit section and then upload all the media directly from your computer. So After doing that, you can replace all the scenes and the script, and then you can get a brand new video with proven viral shots. As you can see, they are all viral. And if you do this way, there is also a chance that you will go viral. And once you do go viral, your sales will start coming up. Now, once you have your video, what to do after that? That's a very easy process. All you have to do is you have to create a simple account on your Pinterest, and then click on the three lines over here. Then click on create pin. So just simply upload your media right over here, and then add a title, add the description, and then in the link section, it's time to add the link tree. So as I mentioned earlier, now I will show you how to create your links. So just simply Google link tree, then open the first link over here. Now just simply do a quick free sign up. So you can use Google or Apple, it's totally up to you. So once you complete the sign up process, it's time to add your Linktree links to your Pinterest post. So firstly, you have to choose a username, then click on continue. Now wait for a few seconds. Now just simply describe something about you or your product. Now just simply choose in what category your product is going to fall, then click on continue. Now choose the free plan over here and then scroll down and click on join for free. Then click on continue and then just simply pick a simple template. So depending on the style that you want and the niche that you have chosen, choose your template accordingly. Now in my case, I'm going to go with this basic template over here. Now the first thing, you have to enter your shop URL, then enter a URL over here, then enter your Instagram URL and any other URL that you want. So in my case, I only want to add the affiliate URL. So as I showed you earlier, copy the URL that you found on the affiliate page and then paste it right over here. And then click on add, just like that. And this is going to be the store URL. Now, people can directly click on this link over here and they will be redirected to the affiliate page. Now, you can add multiple links as I just showed you. And after that, click on next. Now you have to choose the color palette that you want. And then you have to add a bio over here. And after that, click on next. Now, once everything is ready, click on share your link tree. Then copy this link, which you'll find right over here. Now go to your Pinterest and paste your link right over here. And after that, click on publish. Now wait for a few seconds. And after it is all published, you can see it right over here. Or you can also go back to your home feed to watch it, as you can see right over here. And the link will be also available right over here. This will open the link tree. And from here, people will be redirected to the affiliate page links. So you can get all the necessary links in the description box below. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.